And oh my god, do you see this, guys? The balance is topped up. Hey everyone! Lately I've been diving deep into various crypto projects and new mechanics. I've watched dozens of reviews, but honestly, most of them are just boring theory. I wanna find something visual and simple. Just a quick heads up. Everything I'm showing is my personal experience testing the app for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Anyway, I've settled on this gaming bot right inside Telegram. Let's see how it looks from the inside. We launch the app and here it is. A gaming format where you're gonna complete tasks. I had a bonus code, so I'm entering it now. And there we go. My welcome points has been credited. Visually, it's super simple. Now, let's test the transfer function. We go to the wallet just here. Select the network. I'm using Tron. Set the amount. Okay guys, the next I'll copy my external wallet address. Here it is. Paste it. And confirm the transaction. So, I've decided to withdraw the full balance just to test it out. Stay with me to see the results. The transaction went through pretty fast. It's awesome. The top-up notification arrived in just a couple of minutes. As you can see, the mechanics are solid and easy to understand. Well, now comes the most important part of the whole test. We're going back to the wallet. Let's check the wallet. And yes, it works. You see this, guys? Great. I've left the link to the project in my bio for you to check it out. Subscribe if you want to see the other tests.